Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Monarto Safari Park in South Australia. Amazing place. What do you think, Christine?
Oh, this place is just beautiful. It's just about an hour out of the Adelaide CBD, and it's an amazing place to visit. It's just incredible. There's gorgeous facilities here, great cafe, let alone everything else that's behind us, but you have to catch a bus to see all of that.
And as we walked in, like the architecture is amazing, and there's that signature Baobab tree.
Yes, it's
Um,
just, yeah,
Fantastic.
yeah.
And then as a treat for Christine's birthday, we did the lemur experience.
Yes.
Weren't they crazy?
Oh, yeah, crazy. And to be up close was just incredible. They're such beautiful animals, made famous from that fantastic movie by Disney called Madagascar, and they're even cuter in real life. And we were fortunate enough to see quite a few little babies that had only been born about 2 weeks ago. So it was really, really amazing.
Well, the thing about it, it was a behind the scenes tour. So not available to the general public. We paid a fee
Yes.
and they took us on a bus out the back somewhere out here.
Yes,
And we
several
went in,
security gates, very Jurassic Park.
we went in the back entrance, had to sanitize and wipe our feet, and then we saw the whole
Yeah,
experience.
it was amazing. And to top it off, there was a little extra surprise or extra happening in that experience, which we didn't expect, which was the wonderful tortoises.
Oh, they were great. And I saw you pat the tortoise.
No, it's funny. Their shell, even though it's very hard, it's very. They were telling us it has a lot of nerves, or there is a lot of nerves there and a lot of sensation, and they absolutely love a scratch. So it was very educational and lots of.
In fact, I went in myself for a little pat. I couldn't help it.
I know, it's very funny. You'll see in the video that even one of the tortoises leant in going, yeah, scratch here, a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right. It was really, really amusing.
But then what was really good, we went back to the lemur enclosure and the whole troop walked through
Oh, yes.
everyone.
Yes.
Right through our legs.
I know, it was amazing because we're told not to crouch down and to stand still, of course, so we don't step on anything or anybody or any of the creatures. But it was quite intriguing the way that they were like, yeah, we're just going to walk through here. We're crossing the road, but we're going to show you that we're in charge and we'll just go right here. So they are even more fascinating up close. So it was, yeah, amazing. And that's just one of the experiences that is on offer out here. Next, we're getting on the bus. So there's an on and off bus to go around the rest of the safari park. So stay tuned.
And look, if you're liking this video, why not like it? And look, go the whole hog and subscribe.
Yes,
It
please
helps
do.
the channel and we can make more of these videos.
Yeah, thank you.
See?
So here we are at the chimpanzee enclosure. There's a bit of action going on inside. None of the chimps are outside today. I think perhaps it's a little bit hot. But can you hear them? There's all sorts of action. Not sure what's happening. However, there's been some movement. Babies have been collected. Before that, they were all lying around having a very nice time eating. I think I want to be a chimp at this zoo because, man, it looks very, very relaxing. Beautiful day, of course. This is the outdoor enclosure, but I suspect that they're not out there today because it's just a little bit too warm. It's about 29 degrees, so not too bad, but anyway, they're all inside. There's probably 12 of them. There's one that's very old, and there's lots of sort of mid-range ones, and of course, as I mentioned, the little baby ones. So they're just so human-like, gorgeous, and I think they're more intelligent than us somehow. They seem to be looking at us like they know what's going on and we don't. We've been walking through the track. So this is this is bus stop number 2 actually on the on and off bus. It's beautiful here. At number 2 there is a shop as well as a cafe, and there's plenty of other things to see. We did see the meerkats, which I tried to connect with through the glass. They're very funny with their little tongues and stand up and crawl around and everything. So quite the characters. I think they were looking at the people eating at the picnic tables. But there's a few more things to see. We've seen emus as well. I'm not going anywhere near them, of course, because it's their place, not ours, and I can't run that fast. But yeah, it's just amazing here, and we've just got to stop number one, so stay tuned.
All right, here we are at the giraffe exhibit. It's amazing. The number of giraffes that they've got here is incredible. I've never seen this in any zoo in Australia. It's a remarkable environment that they've created. There's even little juvenile giraffe there. And out in the field there's a few ostriches that are sort of pecking away at all the grass out there. This place is fantastic. We're going to come back here again and explore it. There's so much to see. You can't see it in one day. You've got to do several trips. Well, Christine, what a day. On and off
Brilliant.
the bus.
Yes.
What did we see?
Well, we've seen so much. We saw giraffes, painted wild dogs.
Hunting dogs.
Hunting dogs, sorry.
They were crazy.
Yeah, beautiful, big ears.
They would
gorgeous,
tear you apart.
Yeah, gorgeous coats. Yeah, they look like they're unfriendly. And actually the lady on the bus said we have to keep moving because they like to eat rubber.
But the great thing about it is you can get on and off the bus. And we drove through the lion enclosure.
Yeah.
A couple of old boys there. They look pretty tough, didn't they?
Brilliant. It's just it's the most amazing place, and we're only in the so-called the public area. There is this whole other area that's restricted and behind the scenes.
Tours.
So there's more animals, breeding programs. This place is amazing, and I think we've seen about 10% of it and been super impressed. Done one experience today. There's about 5-6 more that we'd like to do, and yeah, we'll be back for sure.
Yeah, so why not come over to Monarto, check out the zoo, the safari park. But for us, it's time to head off
On
another road trip.
You can be my